and I'm going to talk to you about getting set up to edit with Final Cut Pro. First thing you have to do is make sure you have all the necessary equipment. You're going to need a deck or some sort of camcorder to capture footage with, and you're also going to need an external hard drive, unless you have a lot of room on your local hard drive, but chances are you're going to need one of these to store all of the gigabytes of footage that you're going to be capturing. Also, make sure that you have all of the necessary cords and wires. You'll need a FireWire to connect your deck or your camera, and you're also going to need a FireWire or USB cable to connect your hard drive. Once you have all of these things and they're connected to your computer, you're ready to start a project. To start a new project, you have to open Final Cut, and if you don't already have a project started, it should automatically open an untitled project. If it opens an untitled project, go to File and Save Project As, and give your project a title immediately. That way you won't lose it and you'll be able to find it later. If you open Final Cut and there's already a project open, go to File and New Project. And then also do the same thing. Save Project As, give it a title, and make sure you save it someplace where you're going to be able to find it later. And now you have a project.